In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share music during a Zoom meeting effectively. Sharing music in your Zoom sessions can be a fantastic way to enhance your presentation or simply set a mood. Whether you're hosting a virtual event or a regular meeting, integrating music seamlessly can really elevate the experience. So let's dive into how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoom account. This is the gateway to accessing all the features Zoom has to offer, so make sure you've signed in with the correct credentials. Once you're in, you can either join an ongoing meeting or start one yourself. This is important because the share screen function, which we're going to use, is only available once you're in a meeting session. Now, with your meeting lineup ready, look towards the bottom of the Zoom window and locate the share screen button. Click it, and you should see a new window pop up. In this window, various options are presented, allowing you to select what you want to share. This could be a particular screen, a specific application, or a media player where your music is currently playing. Take a moment to select the right option that corresponds to your music source. Here's a critical step. At the bottom left of this window, you'll see an option that says Share Computer Sound. Make sure to check this box before proceeding. This step ensures that the audio from your computer, including your music, is shared with all the meeting participants. For those seeking a smoother playback, especially if you're sharing videos with sound or just want the best audio experience, there's another checkbox labeled Optimize for Video Clip. Checking this box can help enhance the playback performance, making it more enjoyable for your audience. Once you've got everything set up, go ahead and click the Share button. Congratulations, your music should now be playing for everyone in the meeting. It's that simple. When you're ready to stop sharing your music, maybe the meeting has concluded or it's time to move on to the next agenda item, simply click Stop Share. This will end the music sharing instantly. Before we wrap up, here's a helpful tip. For the best sound quality, use a reliable media player like VLC or iTunes. These programs are known for delivering superior audio quality compared to streaming directly from a web browser, which might diminish clarity. And there you have it. You've just learned how to enhance your Zoom meetings with music. Adopting this small yet impactful feature can really make a difference in your virtual interactions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you inject a little more life into your Zoom sessions.